Imagine this. A 14-year-old girl awakens and the first thing she does is reach for her phone. Her screen floods with notifications. A new viral trend she must try. She opens TikTok, thinking that it's only for 5 minutes, and an hour later, she is still browsing, completely ignorant of the time she has wasted. TikTok is more than just a social networking app. It's a machine designed to keep you hooked by giving you stuff that is so precisely suited to your brain that it feels like magic. But is it truly magic, or is this manipulation? Stay tuned as we learn how TikTok manipulates the minds of Generation Z and acts as a weapon of mass distraction. TikTok was launched in 2017, and in 2018, it merged with the lip-syncing app musical.ly, but 2020 was the year it took off. That year saw a pandemic-fueled increase from about 40 million users a month at the start of the year to around 100 million users by August. In just a couple of years, TikTok has become a global sensation. As of 2025, TikTok has 2.05 billion registered users worldwide. It means around 30% of the world's population uses TikTok. The age demographics of TikTok are truly shocking. According to a 2023 Pew Research Center study on TikTok's user growth, the platform is dominated by users aged 10 to 19, who make up 25% of the user base. They are followed by those aged 20 to 29 at 22.4%, 30 to 39 at 21.7%, 40 to 49 at 20.3%, and users 50 and older accounting for the remaining percentage. Though Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook still have adult users, TikTok successfully managed to close the gap. Its popularity grew at an unbelievable pace, while its rivals' growth was stagnant. According to Statista, over 47% of TikTok's users were born after 1996. It makes the platform mostly crowded with Gen Z. Older generations are also present, but Gen Z primarily controls the topics and discussions. So how does TikTok work, and why does it feel so addictive? The answer is the TikTok algorithm, which is a hyper-personalized system that knows exactly what you like, how long you watch, what makes you stop scrolling, and what makes you come back for more. The most significant aspect of TikTok's success is its For You page and the algorithm it employs. The For You page is the main avenue to consuming content on TikTok and is tailored to each user. Other social media experiences are shaped based on accounts users follow, but the For You page brings the content directly to the user. But TikTok is rewiring users' brains, in addition to providing them with individual entertainment. The saddest aspect is that most people aren't even aware of it. By keeping track of the videos that users like, comment on, and share, as well as the ones they dislike, the For You page also refreshes often to provide new content tailored to each user. The algorithm creepily analyzes everything related to you. Videos about your interests and pastimes that you have never shared on the app are all over the For You page. In addition to the For You page, TikTok offers the fastest route to popularity of any platform. This motivates users to create new content, which is just as addictive as the endless stream of content they consume. According to a new research, Gen Z prefers to create content rather than consume it compared to older generations. TikTok's creator-friendly platform gives Gen Z a chance to go viral. Other social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram take time for something to go viral, but with TikTok, it can happen in no time, which gives the user easy satisfaction that they can replicate with little effort. This aligns with research suggesting that Gen Z craves quick rewards for their accomplishments. The endless stream of content and the ability to go viral in an instant provides gratification for its users. Instant gratification is something that Gen Z falls victim to easily, and TikTok uses it as a powerful tool to shape the minds and manipulate the users. TikTok conditions the brain to crave fast and effortless entertainment. The more you scroll, the harder it becomes to focus on anything else. Books start to feel dull, conversations seem slow, and studying feels impossible. It is actively reshaping attention spans, making sustained focus more difficult. Then there's the dopamine loop. You post a video, receive likes, feel validated, and post again. The cycle repeats. For many, this validation turns into an obsession. The constant need for approval becomes addictive, and when the likes stop, self-worth takes a hit. Anxiety rises, and suddenly TikTok is no longer just an app. It becomes a tool for measuring self-esteem. This is what TikTok does best, creating dependency. And with dependency comes control. This is a crisis, and it's unfolding before our eyes. Gen Z is the generation with more potential and more resources than any before it, but it is being programmed, controlled, and exploited all for profit. TikTok isn't just another app, it's a weapon of mass distraction. Let me explain to you why I believe so. You see, Gen Z is often dubbed the loneliest generation. There is sufficient evidence that supports this claim. Around 79% of Gen Z have reported feelings of loneliness. TikTok amplifies these feelings, creating an illusion of connection without anything real. According to research, young people occasionally utilize TikTok in place of social connections. Not only is Gen Z more involved in politics and climate change, but they are also more involved in problems of social justice. In response, TikTok has developed into a platform for initiating discussions about social and political matters. During the George Floyd riots and other social unrest, TikTok was one of the best places to talk about the problem in a healthy way. In addition to using the platform to spread their message on social justice concerns, many Black creators started producing content to support the Black Lives Matter movement. Beyond the struggle for racial equality, the app has become a great platform for discussing social justice and similar issues. It has recently evolved into a forum for talks about the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Numerous video threads encouraged viewers to conduct their own research on the issue, while providing as much information as possible on the conflict's history in one-minute videos. You see, young people are consuming political content during those lengthy scroll sessions. Nowadays, over 1/3 of individuals under 30 frequently get their news from TikTok. However, studies reveal that TikTok is an entirely biased platform, and its algorithm attempts to influence Gen Z's political views. Next big problem is that most of Gen Zs are students who are either studying in schools, colleges, or universities. According to recent research, almost 85% of high school students use TikTok daily. TikTok is also generally a low-effort app. Students watch TikTok videos for hours and hours and not think about anything else or what goes on around them. Their attention spans have been significantly lowered over the course of the past few years. If students lack discipline and self-control when using these platforms, they may fall behind and even fail their classes, despite the fact that these apps are meant for fun and can help reduce anxiety. The fact is that TikTok users typically use the app frequently. The app is well known for being extremely addictive, particularly among younger users. According to research from Baylor University, the short video format of TikTok makes users more likely to develop addictive habits compared to users of other platforms. In their study, the Baylor researchers found that approximately 24% of TikTok users may be classified as addicted to the application. Similarly, according to a Pew survey on teen social media usage, over half of teenagers claim they use TikTok every day, with 17% saying they use it almost constantly. It's no surprise that new trends are popping up every day on TikTok. Trends can range from dancing to makeup, but they can also go so much deeper. Creativity is replaced with conformity, and individuality is overshadowed by whatever is trending. The pressure to stay relevant never stops. Behind these trends are influencers, people with millions of followers who shape what is considered cool, desirable, and worth paying attention to. Whether they realize it or not, they have a powerful influence over the minds of Gen Z. Right now, a lot of trends focus on makeup and beauty. At first glance, they might seem fun to try, but then teenagers start hearing certain terms that make them question their looks. People talk about nose contouring to make noses appear smaller, using blush and concealer in an upward motion to lift the face, and wearing fake eyelashes to make eyes stand out. Many teens don't realize it, but hearing this over and over pushes them to change their appearance just to meet these beauty standards. Teenagers care a lot about fitting in because socializing is a huge part of growing up. But when does following a trend become a problem? These beauty trends change so quickly. One week, everyone wants to lift their face with makeup, and the next, there's a trend embracing all face shapes. It becomes a confusing cycle. Along with fast-changing beauty trends, TikTok has also fueled the rise of unethical fast fashion. Brands like Shein, Forever 21, and Zara have gained popularity and profit thanks to TikTok users. Marketing Charts reports that about 39% of Gen Z's purchases are influenced by TikTok. These brands pay influencers to promote their products in short videos, significantly influencing where their audience shops. The internet has made everything quick and easy. People consume a lot but put in little effort. Haul videos where influencers show off new clothes are simple to create and entertaining for young viewers. Buying these products is just as easy, especially with TikTok Shop, where you can purchase anything you see while scrolling. One of TikTok's biggest tools is FOMO, also known as the fear of missing out. The app's algorithm constantly shows you the latest trends, viral videos, and challenges. The message is simple. Everyone is doing this. If you're not, you're missing out. For teenagers, this fear is powerful. The pressure to belong, stay relevant, and be noticed drives endless scrolling, constant posting, and comparing themselves to others. The outcome is anxiety, insecurity, and a feeling of not being good enough. And the saddest part is that most Gen Z users don't even realize they're trapped in this cycle. So it's time to take action. Be aware of the manipulation. Understand that the app is designed to keep you hooked. Set boundaries, limit your screen time, take breaks. Find hobbies outside the app. Think critically and don't believe everything you see. Question the trends and stay away from the toxic content. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching.